If you want to set a custom ringtone on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, you can just open settings on your phone. We're gonna scroll down in here and go to sound and vibration, and then we're gonna go to the ringtone. Now you will open the themes app with the ringtone category, so you can, for example, go through this list of different sounds that of course you can try to set for your ringtone. You can just tap on this bell here on the right side if you find the sound that you wish to use. You can also just tap on the option in order to, of course, to have a preview. But if you have a custom ringtone saved on your phone, then you can go to choose local ringtone, then go to audio files, and then in here you have the list of all audio files that you have on your phone. So you can choose your ringtone in here, then you will be redirected to the list of ringtones. You should be able to find your ringtone here at the top, use the apply button, and then you can choose for which SIM you want to set up. So you can choose SIM 1 and then also SIM 2, for example. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.